Mastering the art of adaptability. Change gears swiftly. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in both professional and everyday settings. Change gears swiftly. This expression is a powerful tool in mastering the art of communication, and understanding its nuances can significantly enhance your English skills. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and why it's so important. Change gears swiftly originates from the act of changing gears in a vehicle to adapt to different speeds or conditions. However, when used metaphorically, it signifies the ability to quickly adjust one's approach or attitude in response to changing circumstances. This phrase embodies flexibility and adaptability, qualities that are highly valued in both personal and professional spheres. In our fast-paced world, situations can change in the blink of an eye. Being able to change gears swiftly means you're capable of responding effectively to new challenges without losing momentum. This ability is crucial for problem-solving, overcoming obstacles, and seizing opportunities. It highlights one's capacity to remain composed and efficient, regardless of the scenario. To help solidify your understanding, let's look at a few examples of how change gears swiftly can be used. In a professional context, the market conditions shifted unexpectedly, but our team was able to change gears swiftly and develop a new strategy that capitalized on these changes. In personal development, after realizing his initial approach to learning wasn't working, he changed gears swiftly, adopting a new method that significantly improved his progress. These examples illustrate the phrase's versatility and its relevance to various aspects of life. Here are some tips to help you use change gears swiftly, effectively in your communication. Identify the context. Is it a professional setting or a personal scenario? Tailor your usage accordingly. Emphasize adaptability. When using this phrase, highlight the positive outcome of the adaptability it implies. Practice. Try incorporating the phrase in your spoken or written English, especially in situations that involve a shift in strategy or approach. Being able to change gears swiftly is more than just a linguistic skill. It's a life skill that reflects one's agility in navigating the complexities of the world. We hope this exploration has illuminated the richness of this phrase and inspired you to embrace adaptability in your language learning journey and beyond. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, the ability to adapt is the key to growth and success in any endeavor.